Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you the vehicle data telemetry page. So at the very beginning, if you would like to open the vehicle data, all you need to do is use the Mercedes infotainment system, choose here info, and as you can see here you've got the vehicle data telemetry page. It provides real-time technical information about how the car is performing while you are driving. So here you've got input gauges, for example the accelerator. Let me press the accelerator, and as you can see it's changed. You've got here also the brake, so let me now use my foot on the brake, and you've got also see the different percentages, so this indicates the pressure applied to the brake pedal. You've got here also the attitude and incline, as you can see right here. So you've got the horizontal level, in my case it's -1, the icon on the left shows the roll or slight to slight tilt. A value of -1 means the car is sitting almost perfectly flat horizontal. You've got here also the vertical incline, the icon on the right shows the pitch or the uphill downhill grade. A value of -1 indicates a very slight downhill slope. You've got here also this information right here. The steering angle, front wheel, it's now on 1. So if you look at the 3D model, the front wheels show a steering angle in the image. So in front of you it's 1, meaning the wheels are pointed almost perfectly straight. You've got here also the driving status. Right now it's comfort. This indicates that the dynamic select is currently set to comfort mode, which provides the smoothest steering and suspension settings. You can also change it from vehicle to engine, and here you've got more information. Here if you press, for example, the accelerator, you will see also this animation. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.